5 critical mistakes you're making. When using pink salt trick, stop using pink salt the way everyone tells you. Most people think it's harmless or even healthy, but doing it wrong could wreck your digestion, zap your energy, and make bloating worse. Ever wonder why your morning pink salt water leaves you bloated? And the crazy part? Nobody's telling you this. Pink salt is everywhere, from detox drinks to fancy seasoning. Social media makes it look like a miracle mineral that can fix your body overnight. But here's the truth. Most people are doing it wrong. Today, I'm exposing the 5 critical mistakes you're making with the pink salt trick and showing the simple fixes that actually work. By the end, you'll finally know how to use it safely and get real benefits without harming your body. Here's the thing. Everyone loves quick hacks. Pink salt is trending, so it's all over Instagram and health blogs. But the advice is often wrong, incomplete, or exaggerated. People drink too much, mix it poorly, or expect instant results. And that's why so many end up bloated, dizzy, or frustrated, thinking the salt isn't working, when the real problem is how they're using it. Before we dive in, hit like if pink salt ever left you bloated or confused. You'll want to see this. Mistake number 1. Using way too much. Most people think more is better. 1 teaspoon in water? Perfect. Wrong. Excess salt can pull water out of your cells, dehydrate you, spike blood pressure, and actually make bloating worse. The fix: just a pinch in water or food. Tiny but powerful. Less is always more. Mistake number 2. Drinking it wrong on an empty stomach. A lot of experts say drink it first thing in the morning. The problem? Gulping it down in plain water can irritate your stomach, especially if you're already bloated or have acidity. Ever felt dizzy right after drinking it? The trick: warm water plus lemon. Sip slowly. Let your stomach wake up naturally. Your digestion will thank you. Mistake number 3. Using the wrong salt. Not all pink salts are created equal. Cheap versions are processed or stripped of minerals. Table salt, totally useless. You need pure, unprocessed Himalayan pink salt. Look for a natural pink color and 0 additives. This is what actually supports your body instead of harming it. Mistake number 4. Expecting overnight magic. Here's the harsh truth. Pink salt is not a miracle. Some influencers show instant bloating relief, but that's just water weight, not fat loss. True benefits, hydration, metabolism, better digestion, come over time if you use it correctly. This is exactly why most people quit before they notice a difference. And here's the part almost no one tells you. There's a secret timing trick that can supercharge your energy and digestion in just minutes. Most people completely miss it, until now. Mistake number 5. Ignoring your body's signals. Dizzy, bloated, or unusually thirsty. Stop and listen. Your body is warning you. Ignoring these signs can harm kidneys, heart, or digestion. Adjust your intake and timing. Don't push blindly. If you want to feel the real benefits of pink salt, the timing is everything. Done wrong, it does nothing. Done right, it can transform your mornings and energy levels. Here's the secret trick. Right after you wake up, mix a pinch of pink salt in a small glass of warm water with a squeeze of lemon. Sip slowly over 5 to 10 minutes before eating anything. This gently wakes up your digestive system, balances electrolytes, primes your metabolism, and even reduces bloating. Pair it with proper hydration and healthy meals, and your energy and digestion will improve dramatically. You'll feel lighter, more awake, and ready to take on the day. Quick recap. 1. Don't overuse, just a pinch. 2. Mix it correctly, warm water plus lemon, sip slowly. 3. Choose pure, unprocessed pink salt. 4. No overnight miracles. Benefits take time. 5. Listen to your body. Used correctly, pink salt isn't just trendy, it can genuinely support hydration, digestion, and overall wellness. Stop guessing. Start feeling the difference today. Want more hacks like this? Watch our video, 5 Critical Mistakes You're Making When Soaking Chia Seeds. It's full of tips that actually help. Pink salt can support your body, but only if you respect it, not rush it.